Your hats, gentlemen, as we begin the official 12th annual Frank Ski Kids Foundation Youth Bowl number 12.
My hats first go out to Welcome-All, man. Those boys, they probably the toughest team who have played us all year. See, they held us to 20 points. Nobody ain't never held us to 20 points. So I definitely got to get my hats off to Coach G, man. He coached a well-different bunch. And but right now, man, you know, it's our team time. You know, Atlanta Tigers, you know, we've dominated all year. Nobody has beat us. Nobody can say they have beat this team. And they worked hard. They started in the summertime, running hills, the laps. These boys, they went out, they put in a lot of effort, they put in the work, they know where to take to win games. And this year, they really set out to do that. I'm proud of them.
WashingtonB.com!